that is usually interpreted as self-introduction. Self-introduction is form of expression used by individuals to introduce themselves or others. When an individual is in a new environment, of course, he needs to do a self-introduction or self-introduction. This is so that other people and the new environment can get to know the individual is in a new work environment, school or campus, friendship or social environment, and so on. And the next step through to introduce yourself. To do self-introduction is should be done in a structured and systematic manner so that the points to be conveyed can be well digested by the interlocutor. In doing self-introduction in English, there are several things that need to be conveyed. This depends on the situation, condition, interlocution, in the doing and environment and interest. In general, in doing self-introduction, there are several steps. Methods are commonly called that they must be considered, namely opening, content, closing. To know more clearly, let's look at the review of the steps to do self-introducing in detail below. The next material will be presented by my friends. Okay, the next material, review of the steps to do self-introduction. Number 1, opening. In the opening or introduction, generally, greet and ask how the people you are inviting to meet face-to-face are doing. For example, number 1, hello everyone. Number 2, hi everybody, how are you today? Number 3, good morning or afternoon or evening, how are you? Number 2, content. Here is the entry into the content section. However, before entering the content, there is something that needs to be conveyed, namely the purpose. Express what your purpose function is in form of your interlocutor. Your purpose is definitely to do a self-introduction. So say what you can convey, such as number 1, let me introduce myself. Number 2, I want you to introduce myself. Number 3, I want to introduce myself. Okay, the next material, content section, which consists of several points including number 1, personal detail. In this case, go to the content section or main content, which consists of several points among them. Number 1, Aya, you can call me. Number 2, my name is, you can call me. Number 3, my full name is, please call me. Number 4, my name is, my friends usually call me. A. National origin. This point is usually used as an option when you meet foreigners. For example, number 1, I came from Indonesia. Number 2, I am from Indonesia. B. Nationality. Number 1, I am Indonesia. Number 2, my nationality is Indonesia. Number 2, self-identity. Mention your place, date of birth and age. For example, A. Place and date of birth. I was born when followed by the word in. For example, I was born in 2001 or one was born in Kayangan, July 29, 2001. Then when followed by the word on, for example, I was born on July 29, 2001 or I was born on 29 years July 2001. B. Age. Say your age after that. For example, I am years old. Number 3. Address. Mention where you live at that time, such as street name and so on. For example, for the original address, number 1, I come from. Number 2, I am from. For using, for example, number 1, how I stay. Number 2, now I live. Number 4, job or study. Number 1, school. For example, I am student of or I'm studying in. Number 2, lectures. Mention the name of the university and major. For example, I am a student of in major or I study in my major is. Number 3, have graduated from school or college. For example, I graduated from in. Number 4, job. For example, I work in as or I am a staff or manager of. For example, I am a manager of PT Raya Jaya. Number 5, interest. You can mention activities that you enjoy or hobbies. For example, number 1, my hobby is. Number 2, my hobby are. Number 3, I like. Number 4, my activities are. Okay, the next material will be presented by my friend. Okay, the next material, closing. For the closing is made easily and with thanks, comments, and of course, closing greeting. For example, number 1, that's about me. I hope and have a great day. Thank you. Number 2, this is the end of my self-introduce. Number 3, I think enough. Thank you or your attention. The explanation about the book is the step that are general and detailed as explained earlier in doing self-introduction. It all depends on the condition in the interlocutor and also the you do self-introduction you are in the informal or formal situation. In your work, it will be good to have a little idea about self-introduction in English. Here is an example of a self-introduction in English. Okay, next. So, conclusion. If some self-introduction is a foundational communication skill that goes for your simply setting one's name for elementary school studying. Mastering this skill is crucial for their overall development. Activity self-introduction comprising basic elements like name, age, sample occurrence, serve as a vital gateway to school interaction and the formation and meaningful peer relationship. Physiology, the ability to confidently introduce oneself significantly boosts self-esteem Indonesia. I was born in Mariat Baru on February 12, 2004. Now, I am 21 years old. I live in Pematang Siantar. I am student at University Dimension Pematang Siantar. I'm majoring is primary teacher education. My hobbies are singing and writing. I enjoy doing this activity in my free time. Number 3, Kosi. That's a little bit about me. I hope we can get to know each other better. Thank you for your attention and have a great day. Thank you. And the next, my friends.
Okay, the next example of self-introduction. Hi everyone, how are you? How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Lita Septiana Nasihat. I come from Indonesia, North Sumatra. I was born in Paksel on September 15, 2004. I am currently 21 years old and live in Pematang Siantar. I am a student at Lorenzo. My hobbies are dancing, swimming, and traveling. Was it? That a little bit about me. I hope we can get to know each other better. Thank you for your attention and have a great day. Okay, the next my friend introduce.
Okay, the next example of self-introduction. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Let me introduce myself to you. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Putri Angelika Sinaga and you call me Putri. I come from Indonesia. My nationality is Indonesian. I was born in Manggabatu on August 7, 25. Now I am 20 years old. I live in Pematang Siantar. I am a student at Universitas Mamensen Pematang Siantar. I am majoring in primary teacher education. My hobbies, singing and dance. I enjoy doing these activities in my free time. That's a little bit about me. I hope we can get to know each other better. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.
Okay, that's all from our presentation regarding the material recording.